The cage is within Arong's domain, so if I go in, Arong will get angry, so I have to break the footstool. I hold on to it with my feet, put my weight on it, and tear it apart without mercy. Mom, take a nice picture. Chorong crashes again. That's the scaffold I go to. But why does Chorong leave it up like that? I will dig firewood on skewers with dignity in a cage without Chorong. Why is a girl so strong? I have a hard time even carrying this up. Mom! Give Arong some wooden chopsticks. The firewood in the cage over there is too much for him. Forgot? It's Arong who picked up a toothpick until recently.